brush tip shape. In this lesson, we will learn how to change the tip of a brush. Usually, brush tips are round in shape. To change the tip of a brush, first select the brush and click on the brush options in the window menu to open the brush palette. We can also open the brush palette by pressing F5 on the keyboard. In this palette, under the diameter setting, by moving the slider, we can increase or decrease the thickness of the brush. By increasing the spacing value in the spacing option, we get a dotted stroke in place of a solid stroke. By decreasing the roundness, we can change the round brush tip into a oval. To change the brush tip angle, under the angle settings, type the values to rotate. We can also change the angle and roundedness by adjusting the arrows and circles given in the side box. To flip the angle, flip options are available. We can flip the brush angle either to X or to Y axis.